morning, guys. Today is Monday, January 6th. I look mad greasy right now, but I am preparing to go outside. We have a snowstorm in my area. We got between 6 to 12 inches of snow, so I'm excited. It's going to be a snowy, cozy day. Gonna go outside, see what it's looking like. I do have work today. That's the only downside about working from home, is that inclement weather doesn't affect my job unless there's a power outage or something that is actually stopping me from turning on my computer. But still, it's going to be a cozy day. I only have one meeting today, and I was already proactive on my work last week, so it's kind of a chill Monday, but I'm excited. I'm gonna go outside in the snow, gonna come back in later, continue reading Deacon King Kong, because I haven't finished it yet. The book is good. I would really love for it to be a TV show though, because the characters are so complex, and I'm looking forward to see if all the characters can be fleshed out in under 400 pages. And yeah, that's why I would love for it to be a TV series, because then you could really get into the details of all the characters in the community. Just really excited to have a cozy winter day. It actually feels like winter. The snow, the atmosphere, just it just makes me so happy. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Good morning, guys. I am back inside from my little snowy adventure that I had this morning. As you saw earlier, before I went out, I was reading Deacon King Kong by James McBride. I finally made it to page 100. Well, I'm on 101, which is the start of chapter 9. I like this book. It's a lot going on though, and sometimes too much going on makes me not interested, but I'm hanging in there. I really like what just happened going into chapter 9. So it's like this main character is on this adventure, and then all the other characters, they have their own mini adventures, but it seems to play a big part in the main character's journey as well. But it's just a lot of people to keep up with, but it's pretty good.
that sound correct, Gloria? We haven't actually done it yet, so this is just kind of the documentation. I probably will send out a test first just to be sure.
Yeah, it sounds correct to me. When I'm trying to